What's the meaning of commingle? Commingle. Commingle.
Commingle. Commingle. The term commingle refers to the act of mixing or blending different substances or elements together. It can be applied in various contexts, including the financial industry, or it refers to the combining of funds that belong to different clients. The result of commingling may vary depending on the context, but typically it leads to a loss of individual identity and creates a new entity with shared characteristics. In the financial context, it may also pose a risk of confusion or misappropriation of funds.